Welcome to the ultimate guide on street cleaning with cutting-edge technology. In today's urban landscapes, efficient street cleaning is essential for a vibrant city environment. Modern advancements have revolutionized the way we maintain cleanliness in our streets. From robotic sweepers to state-of-the-art cleaning equipment, technology plays a pivotal role. Join us as we delve into the intricate workings of these high-tech marvels. Witness firsthand how innovation and precision combine to redefine street maintenance. For urban planners and city maintenance crews, these advancements are a game changer. Stay tuned to discover the future of street cleaning and its impact on our daily lives. Efficiency, sustainability, and effectiveness are at the core of these technological solutions. Experience the synergy between innovation and cleanliness like never before. As we navigate through the advancements, prepare to be amazed by the precision of modern street cleaning. The future of city maintenance is here, and it's smarter and more efficient than ever. Join us in this journey of discovery as we explore the intersection of technology and cleanliness. From bustling metropolises to quaint neighborhoods, technology is reshaping how we clean our streets. Embrace the future of street cleaning with us and witness the evolution of maintenance practices. In a world driven by innovation, these advancements are paving the way for cleaner and greener cities. Join the movement towards a cleaner tomorrow, powered by technology and ingenuity. Thank you for embarking on this enlightening journey into the future of street cleaning technology.
Autonomous street sweepers use advanced sensors and GPS technology to autonomously navigate and clean urban streets, ensuring thorough cleanliness in bustling areas. Smart sensors, integrated into the Internet of Things, actively monitor litter levels on lampposts and bins, enabling swift responses from city maintenance teams for a cleaner and cost-effective environment. Robotic litter collectors, nimble and precise, efficiently clear litter from parks and public spaces, ensuring a pristine environment with meticulous cleaning capabilities. Drones equipped with cameras and cleaning tools soar over urban landscapes, providing surveillance and targeted cleaning solutions for inaccessible areas, elevating the standards of urban cleanliness. The fusion of technology and innovation is reshaping urban cleanliness, paving the way for a brighter future with cleaner, more efficient cities. Thanks to autonomous sweepers, smart sensors, robotic collectors, and cleaning drones.
The evolution of street cleaning. Street cleaning has a long history, evolving from simple brooms to horse-drawn carts and early motorized sweepers. Today, technology is at the forefront, offering sophisticated solutions that are reshaping urban cleanliness. Autonomous street sweepers. Leading the charge are autonomous street sweepers. These intelligent machines use advanced sensors, GPS, and lidar to navigate complex city streets, avoiding obstacles and adjusting to various surfaces. Unlike traditional sweepers, they operate around the clock, ensuring streets remain spotless. Autonomous sweepers are equipped with real-time data analytics, allowing them to optimize their cleaning routes and perform predictive maintenance. This means less downtime and more efficient street cleaning. They not only keep our streets clean but also help in reducing labor costs and improving operational efficiency. Smart sensors and IoT integration. Next, smart sensors and IoT technology play a pivotal role. These devices monitor litter levels, air quality, and street conditions in real time. Data collected is sent to city maintenance teams, who can quickly respond to overflowing bins and dirty streets. This proactive approach not only keeps streets cleaner but also helps cities manage resources more efficiently, reducing fuel consumption and environmental impact. Robotic litter collectors. Meet the robotic litter collectors. These compact robots are designed to clean up even the tiniest pieces of litter from hard-to-reach places like under benches and around playgrounds. Using cameras and AI, these robots identify and collect trash autonomously, making them perfect for keeping public spaces clean without disturbing people. They work seamlessly in crowded areas, ensuring no corner is left untouched, and every piece of litter is picked up. Drones for surveillance and cleaning. Drones are adding a new dimension to street cleaning. Equipped with cameras and cleaning tools, they can survey large areas, identify dirty spots, and even assist in cleaning graffiti and removing dust from high-rise buildings. Drones can access areas that are hard to reach, providing a quick and efficient way to clean and maintain urban infrastructure. They complement traditional cleaning methods, providing a comprehensive solution for urban maintenance. High-tech trash cans. High-tech trash cans are another innovation. These smart bins come with built-in compactors and sensors that monitor fill levels. When full, they send alerts for timely collection, preventing overflow and keeping the environment tidy. These bins help cities manage waste more efficiently, reduce collection costs, and ensure a cleaner public space. Environmental impact and sustainability. These technologies not only keep our streets clean but also promote sustainability. Electric-powered sweepers and solar-powered bins reduce carbon emissions, contributing to a greener planet. By integrating these advanced systems, cities can create a more sustainable future while maintaining the beauty and cleanliness of our urban landscapes. Conclusion. Technology is paving the way for cleaner, more efficient cities. From autonomous sweepers to smart sensors, these innovations are transforming our streets. Stay tuned for more insights on how technology is shaping our world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Subscribe for more tech insights. The ultimate guide to cleaning streets using high technology.